The next class is the class called basket. Again, you'll find inside of the library SSD folder. First of all, namespace right at the top. So after the opening PHP tag, namespace SSD, because it's obviously inside of the SSD folder. The next thing we're going to do is to rename this instant catalog to simply object catalog. It's gonna sound a little bit better. So if we create a new line, first thing we're gonna do, however, is to convert it to our private property. So rather than public, it's going to be a private, and rather than instance catalog. Now, if I check when we're using this inside of the subtotal method and inside of our constructor, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is first rename it at the top. So it's going to be object catalog. And now if I just copy this name, go to our constructor first. There we go. So it's object catalog, new catalog, and then we go into subtotal method as well and rename it here. So that's our object catalog now renamed. If we scroll up, next one is the property empty basket. So I'm just going to find usages. It remains public. So obviously we need to rename the underscore. As you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, and then we have also in a constructor. So we've got 4 places we need to update when we rename it. So first of all, remove the underscore. Then we go for number of items method, and empty basket loses this underscore here. Then we have subtotal, only 1 usage as well, empty basket. Then we have VAT, empty basket, VAT method obviously. And now if I just collapse this, and then we obviously have our constructor, and we're removing this underscore from here as well. Now if I just quickly check if we still have any instances of empty basket. No, it doesn't look like we have anything left with underscore empty. That's all good. We can scroll up. The next one is the VAT rate, find usages. We have 1 inside of the process method, 1 inside of the VAT method, and 1 inside of the 2 inside of the constructor. If I just collapse this, you can see we've got 2 usages. So we're going to start. Let's start with the constructor. But before we do this, if I just scroll up a little bit here, and if we rename the property itself first. Now if we go to a constructor, we're losing this underscore and then the other one as well. So that's constructor done. Then we go to the process method. We're removing this underscore, and then we have VAT method, again removing the underscore. Now I'm just going to check VAT underscore rate. No, nothing like this exists. So we can scroll up. The next one is the number of items. If we find usages, it's only inside of the no items method. So if you rename the property first and then navigate to no items method and simply remove this underscore from here as well. I think we're going to continue in the next video.